Okay guys, I got BMW 335i with twin turbo. It's 2008. One of those turbos has been broken and sucking oil inside the exhaust and the smoking so bad. So the process is about 11 hours. All you need, this job required, to have a lift. I don't think anybody will be able to do it at the home, stuff like that. No private garage. You have to lift it up, support the engine just like I did, and take the subframe out of the way. Start working in this area here, right here. This is the first turbo, and let me show it to you. Right there, up there, right there, it's the second one. The first one has been broken, the shaft and the fan, like here. I already took it out. See how loose is that? This one is bad, so I already ordered it. But keep in mind, all the O-rings, everything, all the clamp has to be replaced. There has to be a new one, and hopefully as soon as I get one back in there, I have to put it back together, and the exhaust and everything. And one more thing, the whole exhaust has to be released to get it out of the way, like I already did that. That's it. If you guys have any question, contact me about this job. So like I said, this job has been, this job is required to get it done at the shop. I mean, you have to have a lift and this kind of supporter to be able to work on this area. That's it. Good luck, everyone.